Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and conclude on the last episodes of Utando Nestembu. So now these are the episodes that I made on TikTok that I shared with the people on my TikTok page. So enjoy them and tell me what you think about Utando Nestembu. Do leave a comment, but most of all, please, please, please subscribe. Let us get to 8,000 subscribers.
Akere bazalwane di-show tse ho di lebelletse ne kore wa nahana o nahane phela if ngifuna ukuthi siyilungisela ningazongidika ne ke liqhosa no lena di-show tse ho di bohetse because it's not your life. You're able to analyze almost everything. You're able to put this thing here, put that thing here, and try to understand because asimathata how like ngifuna ukuthi ni-understand ku-easy ukusolva inkinga zomunye umuntu kunokuthi usolve zakho ngoba kathi ngibhekane n'inkinga zami manje ngizohluleka but kulesi thembu engikuso lesi sakamseleko ngiyakhona usolva ngasolva tsa mang le mang mara tsa ka personally tse lebelletseng nna di tlo mpalla vele so bese ngisho ukuthi nina enithi hehe iphuma endabeni zabantu le ndaba bazilethe kule DSTV ebhadala danke uMakhumalo. Is she paying for her own house? And are the other wives getting houses from Umusa Mseleko? Why am I asking that? Umusa spoke about Umakhumalo buying the house from her company and also briefly mentioned ukuthi it would be a sign ukuthi uMakhumalo usebenzile. It shows growth buying property. It shows ukuthi ukhombile even if business ingaphela but uyakwazi ukukhomba ukuthi hey leya business yangitholela 1 2 3 4 5. With the other wives that discussions was not heard to say your salary can show you 1 2 3 4 5. Ne? With the other wives the discussion was there was no time to choose a house and we opted for things that isn't as a phone, right? Sharp. Kumakhumalo, it sounded as if Umseleko has not even been to the house. So could Umakhumalo be the one choosing a house for herself and buying her own house from Esakis Kwama, while Umseleko is buying the 3 other houses for Umacele, Umayeni, no Mangwabi? I don't know, guys. And if that's the case, is it fair? Ukuthi Makhumalo anthe potla ya khayena ate search ngwanyana a ho stofi and then babamba baska ho stofi. I get mara this is looking like Makhumalo is a breadwinner light. I don't know.